Next Friday, we're going on a mountain trip.
Wow!
We'll hike, enjoy fresh air, and see amazing views.
Whoa! A real mountain trip? This is going to be amazing! Will we see flowers up there?
Is the hike very difficult?
Don't worry, hiking is fun once you start.
Don't worry, we'll hike together and have fun. Bring water, good shoes, and stay with your team.
Okay, I'll do my best.
Coming, Mom! Just packing, the essentials.
Okay, Noah, I can do this. One step at a time. Like Mr. Carter said.
Have a wonderful time, sweetheart. I know you'll do great.
I'll do my best, Mom.
Good morning! Come on in. Big day ahead.
Good morning! I can't wait! Let's see that mountain!
We'll miss you! Bye, sweetie!
All right, everyone, make sure we're all here. Perfect, we're all set. Let's go!
Come on, everyone! Sing along!
This is the best bus ride ever!
I want to draw every bird and flower we find.
That's really cool. Maybe I'll help you find them.
There it is! Look at that mountain! It's even bigger than the photo! Finally, fresh air!
I love it already. It's so tall.
All right, everyone. Stay together on the trail. Enjoy the journey, not just the destination.
Look! A red-breasted bird, right there!
Got it! That's going in my collection.
The water is so cold and clear!
This might be my best photo yet.
Did you know butterflies taste with their feet?
Really? That's strange, but cool. I don't think I can do this. It's too steep.
One step at a time, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Emma.
We're with you. Yeah, we're not leaving anyone behind.
One at a time. Hold the ropes and look ahead. We'll cross together. You've got this.
It's a little scary, but it's exciting.
I'm doing okay now. Everyone, smile! 2, 3.
Here, have a snack before they're gone.
We should pack up, kids.
It's starting to rain!
Rain jackets on, everyone. It's part of the adventure.
I hope the rain ends soon.
A rainbow! I have to draw this before it fades.
This is the best photo of the whole trip so far. Whoa, okay, that rock was not my friend.
Smooth move. Good thing I caught you.
This is the last stretch, only a little more.
We've come this far. Let's finish it together.
Keep going, the summit is just ahead.
Almost there. I can feel it.
Let's keep going, team.
You okay, Noah? We can slow down.
No, I want to keep going. I'm okay.
Just a little more, everyone. You can see it now.
We're almost there. We're really almost there. I'm really glad I didn't give up.
I'm really glad too. You did amazing, Noah.
Look at all of you. You made it to the top. I'm so proud of every single one of you.
We actually made it! We made it! Best day ever!
This is for you, Noah. Mountain hiking challenge completed.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. I'll never forget this.
Yay!
We made it!
Whew, that was tough, but worth it. Today was better than anything I imagined.
Yeah, I think I found something up there. Not just the view. Ta-da! I saved this the whole trip, just for this moment. It's completely squished, Liam.
Welcome back, everyone!
I don't think I've ever been this tired and this happy.
Same here. Best day of my life, honestly. And then I just, whoosh, nearly flew off the mountain. Liam, you're gonna fall out of your seat now too.
Are we already back? That felt so fast.
I don't want today to end.
The mountain was never your biggest challenge. Believing in yourselves was.
Thanks for everything, Emma. Really.
Anytime, Noah. See you Monday.
Mom, look! I made it to the top!
I always knew you would. I'm so proud of you. Did you have a good day, sweetheart?
The best day. I'll tell you everything on the way home. Morning, Noah. You look like you slept great.
Best sleep ever. I still can't stop thinking about that mountain.
I hope that trip taught you something you'll carry with you always. Not every mountain is made of rock. Sometimes, it's made of doubt.
Look, this was right after the rain stopped. Whoa, that rainbow looks amazing. Thanks for helping me on the trail.
Noah, this is so sweet. I'll keep it forever.